Welcome to the grammar course, where we'll embark on an exciting journey to explore and master the fundamental building blocks of language. Whether you're looking to enhance your communication skills, prepare for academic challenges, or simply gain a deeper understanding of how language works, this course is designed to meet your needs. Grammar is the backbone of effective communication, and through this course, we aim to provide you with a solid foundation in the essential elements of English grammar. The course is structured into several modules, each focusing on a different aspect of grammar, allowing you to build your knowledge progressively and with confidence. Module 0. Presentation of the program. Begin our journey with Module 0, where you'll be introduced to the overall structure of the course. Here, we'll discuss the learning path, the learning objectives, the importance of each module, and how they interconnect to provide a comprehensive understanding of grammar. This module will also outline the expectations, assessments, and resources available to help you succeed. Module 1. Noun types. In Module 1, we'll dive into the world of nouns. We'll explore the different types of nouns, including common and proper nouns, abstract and concrete nouns, and countable and uncountable nouns. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear understanding of how nouns function in sentences and how to use them correctly. Module 2. Parts of speech. 1. Module 2 introduces the various parts of speech, starting with the most fundamental ones: nouns, pronouns, and verbs. We'll examine how these parts of speech interact with each other to form the core of our sentences. You'll learn to identify and use these elements effectively, setting the stage for more advanced grammatical concepts. Module 3. Parts of speech. 2. Continuing from Module 2, Module 3 will cover the remaining parts of speech: adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Understanding these components will give you the tools to add detail, depth, and nuance to your writing and speaking. Module 4. Phrase. In Module 4, we'll explore phrases, the building blocks of sentences. You'll learn about different types of phrases, such as noun phrases, verb phrases, and prepositional phrases, and how they function within sentences to convey meaning. This module will also help you recognize the importance of phrases in creating more complex and varied sentence structures. Module 5. Sentences and clause. Finally, in Module 5, we'll bring everything together by focusing on sentences and clauses. We'll explore how different types of clauses, independent and dependent, combine to form sentences. You'll also learn about sentence types, such as simple, compound, complex, and compound complex sentences, and how to use them effectively in your writing. Congratulations on enrolling in this grammar course. By taking this step, you've demonstrated a commitment to improving your language skills and achieving greater clarity in communication. We're excited to have you with us and are confident that you'll find this course both challenging and rewarding. As you progress through the modules, remember that grammar is not just about rules. It's about understanding how language works to express ideas clearly and effectively.